Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best travel kit is probably one of the most essential items for any frequent traveler, promising comfort and convenience on the go. This video will dive into the ultimate guide on creating your own personalized kit, covering everything from must-have essentials to space-saving techniques, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure, big or small, with a focus on maximizing comfort and minimizing stress during your journeys. Number 5. Kitsch Travel Bottles. Say goodbye to travel-sized woes. This complete set has everything you need to take your favorite beauty products on the go. It's made with durable, BPA-free materials, ensuring long-lasting use and reliable performance for all your adventures. These bottles are TSA approved, so you can easily bring your essentials through airport security without any hassle. Compact and lightweight, it fits perfectly in your purse, suitcase, or overnight bag. The reusable pouch keeps everything organized. With a unique Kitsch pattern, they're stylish enough for your vanity and practical enough for travel. Perfect for lotions, shampoos, and more. What we like? It's TSA approved, ensuring a smooth journey. The leak-proof design protects your belongings, and the 11 pieces cover all your needs. If you're a frequent traveler who values security and convenience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The leak-proof design gives me peace of mind, knowing that my shampoo, conditioner, and lotion will stay safely contained during my journeys. The variety of sizes in this set is fantastic, allowing me to customize my travel essentials without taking up too much space in my luggage. These are really great. The soft-sided nature and the shape make them easier to pack into your requisite quart-sized bag for TSA. They are sturdy and attractive. The set comes with a funnel and a scoop, making filling them easier. Number 4. Travel Toiletry Bag Kit. This 3-piece set is perfect for any trip, big or small. Customize it to fit your needs, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended adventure. It features a built-in TSA-approved liquids bag for easy airport security. The expandable mesh pockets hold all your essentials, and it unfolds for extra space. This quart-sized, clear bag is perfect for carrying your liquids through security. It even has a handy clip to hang it up in the shower. This versatile pouch is great for makeup, electronics, or anything else you need to keep organized in your luggage. It's the perfect catch-all for your travel essentials. It's made with durable, lightweight materials and high-quality YKK zippers, ensuring it will last through many trips. You'll love the soft feel and superior performance. What we like? This 3-piece set offers ultimate flexibility for any trip. The hanging toiletry bag maximizes space, and the organizers keep everything tidy. If you need adaptable storage solutions for various travel styles, this is ideal. What people say. Well designed and adaptable. For example, you can remove the pieces you don't need for a shorter trip. And the 311 TSA compliant insert pops out in a second to go through security at the airport. The clear plastic bag is perfect for TSA compliant liquid items and can hold much more than needed. Love that it stands upright on the sink counter and has the handle to pull it out of my luggage if needed. It's not tiny, I'd say it's medium-sized, and has lots of compartments. But it's very lightweight and fits well. The zipper is smooth and sturdy, the fabric is really nice, and I love the color. Number 3. CKI Women's Travel Kit. This kit is perfect for the modern woman on the go. It's lightweight and contains everything you need to stay fresh and confident, wherever your travels take you. It includes travel-size versions of your favorite Palmer's products. These are perfect for keeping your hair and body feeling healthy and hydrated during your travels. This comprehensive kit has 10 pieces to cover all your essential grooming and hygiene needs. You'll be prepared for any situation. It's designed to be inclusive and cater to the needs of women from diverse backgrounds. It's perfect for any woman's travel needs. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry in your luggage. It's the perfect travel companion. The kit features a stylish and sophisticated beige color scheme. It's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. What we like? This kit includes 10 essential grooming items, perfect for women on the go. It features popular Palmer's products, known for their quality. If you are a woman looking for a curated selection of travel-sized essentials, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The size is just right for a carry-on. I appreciate the clear packaging so I can see everything in it right away. Took on a cruise and it was fantastic to have. ESP the shampoo, conditioner and smaller toothbrush toothpaste in the small clear pouch. I liked the mini deodorant too. It would be complete if body wash and deodorant was included. I also like that these arrived sealed. Number 2. CKI Men's Premium Travel Kit. This kit is perfect for travel, ensuring you have all the essentials. It meets TSA size requirements for easy airline travel. It's packed with popular travel-size toiletries from trusted brands. Everything you need for a comfortable trip is right here. Looking for the perfect gift? This kit is great for birthdays, Father's Day, or any occasion. It's also a thoughtful stocking stuffer. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a business trip, this kit is your perfect travel companion. It's also great for emergencies or gym visits. The attractive brown travel bag is conveniently sized and easy to pack. It's designed for effortless travel and organization. This comprehensive kit includes everything from shaving cream and a razor to toothpaste, mouthwash, and bandages. You'll also find a comb, lip balm, and more. What we like? With 20 pieces of top men's grooming essentials, it's a comprehensive kit for any trip. It includes well-known brands, ensuring quality. If you are a man who values a complete and convenient travel kit with trusted brands, this is your best bet. What people say. It comes with everything you need, and the items are approved small sizes so you can put them in your carry-on for an airplane. They fit a lot of things into a small bag. The nice assortment of items. Number 1. CKI Men's Deluxe Travel Kit. This kit is perfect for the modern traveler. It contains everything you need for a comfortable trip, all in one convenient bag. It includes 9 travel-sized essentials, so you'll have everything you need without overpacking. It's TSA compliant for easy travel. This kit features high-quality Old Spice products, ensuring you'll smell and feel your best on your travels. The toiletry bag is reusable and durable, making it a great investment for frequent travelers. You can use it again and again. It's designed to meet TSA size requirements, so you can take it on any flight without worry. No more packing hassles. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to pack and carry. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. What we like? This kit offers 9 travel essentials for men, featuring the popular Old Spice brand. It comes in a reusable bag for added convenience. If you are a man who prefers a smaller, more focused kit with a recognizable brand, this is a great option. What people say. The kit comes in a compact, zippered bag that keeps everything organized and easy to access. It fits perfectly in my carry-on. Comes with everything you might need. It contained mostly everything I needed in one complete package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.